Siguro po 95% of the scenes talaga of Jamie, it really was po me. Kasi yun, pinaghirapan ko rin po siya for more than a year. And pinagsikapan ko po talaga para ma-perform ko po ng mabuti yung mga fight scenes po na meron si Jamie. Before pa kami talaga mag-start, and we always talk about this, palagi namin sinishare na even before pa lang kami mag-start mag-taping nung pandemic, talagang we made it an effort po talaga na mag-bonding and to get to know each other po talaga. So, ang ganda lang din na may close relationship na po kami lahat before we started taping. So, it wasn't hard for me naman din po. Tsaka, on the aspect na puro boys po yung kasama ko. Kasi, lumaki po ako na mga pinsan ko is puro guys. So, talagang, ano naman po ako, kabay naman po ako when it comes to that. So, yeah, hindi naman po ako nahirapan. Actually, nakatulong nga rin po yung closeness namin when it comes to scenes. Kaya pong talunin si Big Bird. Let's say, let's put it that way po. And mas astig kay Isabel. So, yes. Ayun po.
Kasi 'di ba parang yun nga, sabi ni Matt, ang dami yung trainings before this. Alam ko parang we've talked about this before, yung mga trainings na pinagdaanan mo din, no? So talagang hindi ka pa nagpapadouble to the point na talagang ikaw lahat gumagawa ng action scenes. Kasi alam ko for boys talagang medyo given yan, they like action. But for a girl like you, ito ba yung first action mo din na teleserye? So paano mo siya in-execute?
For me po, kasi sorry, ever since po kasi, first time pa lang po kasi talaga mag-action series. So, it really was a challenge for me. And I took it as a challenge po talaga. So, nag-train po ako ng ilang buwan. And talagang pinagbutihan ko po talaga. So, when it comes to fight scenes naman po talaga, 100% naman po, ako po yung nagpa-perform. But of course, when it comes to scenes na talagang medyo magiging dangerous or magiging hazard, then that's when we opt for the double. But then, siguro po 95% of the scenes talaga of Jamie, it really was po me. Kasi, yun, pinaghirapan ko rin po siya for more than a year, and pinagsikapan ko po talaga para ma-perform ko po ng mabuti mga fight scenes po na meron si JP. Siyempre po super happy po ako when it comes to that. Kaming lahat po, we're so grateful for it kasi lahat po talaga kami pinaghirapan, not just the actors, not just the production, but also the all production teams of GMA, the audio, the CGI, the editing, post-production talaga. Lahat po talaga nag-effort to really make this a good series to watch. So all of us were very grateful po talaga. And it was also very motivating kasi diba, at least you know na what you're doing is it's good. It's getting the credit that it deserves. So very grateful po kami and honored with that. Siguro for me po, of course, very happy po kami lahat and excited. But, ang syempre may pressure din po eh. And syempre may kaba kasi you've been working on this project for so long. Tapos, sanay na rin kayo na, in the making lang siya. And sanay rin po kayo na pieces pa lang yung nakikita nyo of the big picture. Yung nagagawa nyo. But now na, we have an airing date, we're ipapalabas na kami sa sinehan on April 19. Nakakakaba rin siya kasi even us po, hindi pa namin talaga nakikita yung pinaka-finished product. Pero, yes, pero, more on excited po ako and excited and kinakabahan in a good way kasi even without seeing the big picture, talagang we know we made a good show. And excited na rin po ako makita lahat. Everything. For me, I think isa sa naka-help sa akin sa Voltes 5 or yung nag-change sa akin. Siguro siguro growth, kumbaga. You know, kasi before I started Voltes 5, very shy pa rin ako as a person. I know, ang hirap na paniwalaan kasi artista ako, pero mahihayin ako, pero it's true talaga. You know, I was a really shy person pa rin. Pero I feel like, you know, while embodying Jamie, who is a confident person, feeling ko na nakuha ko rin yung confidence niya. And, you know, parang nagkaroon din po ako ng belief sa sarili ko. And I think I really grew as a person talaga. Kasi 3 years din po yun eh. And I think, you know, Voltes 5, syempre, it's such a big project of GMA. Definitely, I feel like it really helped me po and my career. And yun, sobrang grateful din po ako, like what you mentioned po, you know, this month came a few of my endorsements, and definitely sobrang thankful po ako kasi if it wasn't for Voltes 5, then I wouldn't you know, be as confident as I am today. I wouldn't be as determined po, siguro. I'm also much more determined po ngayon. For me po, of course, sobrang given na yung mga iconic scenes talaga na shoot namin. Like yung nakita nila sa trailer, yung butterfly return technique na talagang ilang oras po namin yun pinerfect, especially Steven Big Bird. Other iconic scenes that they will see in the series, pero yung pinaka talagang memorable po for me is yung mga bloopers. yung mga behind the scenes bloopers po na share na basta minsan tumatawa kami kahit 1 hour later. You know, there's so many moments talaga na sobrang tinetreasure ko behind the scenes talaga. And on cam na hindi aabot dahil blooper siya. Yun po. For me, siguro yung isang aspect ni Jamie na nakaka-relate ako is siguro yung drive niya to prove herself, siguro. At saka yung strength niya, not physically, but emotionally. You know, Jamie's a very strong person. She's a very independent woman. And I feel like yung hunger niya para, you know, to prove that she can do things on her own, even if she's a woman, na kaya niyang, you know, makipagsabayan sa mga iba. Feeling ko yung drive niya to prove that is what I have in common with her.
Wait lang, independent ka ba? Kasi parang masyado kang sheltered pag tinitignan ka namin. Parang kang, alam mo yun. Pero in real life ba?
Independent po at a certain extent. Siguro, you know, siguro naman, yes, oo, I admit ko naman po yun na medyo sheltered po ako as, you know, growing up. Pero only child po kasi ako eh.
Yes.
So, malaking factor din po yun sa pagiging independent ko, you know. I grew up by myself and of course with my mom, but, you know, as an only child, talagang you have to learn how to, you know, siguro enjoy being by yourself, and you know, you have to learn how to do things on your own, especially when it comes to, you know, going to school, for example, you know. Wala naman po kayong ibang ka-age niyo sa bahay eh. So siguro yun, not necessarily sa pagiging, you know, maabilidad sa buhay. Aminado po ako doon, pero yeah, just in general. For me po, one, well, even if hindi namin generation yung Voltes 5, yung talagang nagmahal sa Voltes 5, yung generation naman po namin is we're all fans of superhero movies. We're all fans of Hollywood films na nakikita natin na very high quality yung graphics, talagang very, sci-fi, kumbaga. And Voltes 5 is that, except the fact that it's made entirely in the Philippines. So, it's something to be proud of. It's something to be curious about. And at the same time, Voltes 5 Legacy is a story about 4 teenagers and a kid. It's a story about people their age, our age, and kung ano yung mga pinagdadaanan nila in their everyday life. So yung mga sinabi nila Miguel and Radson and Mavi and Matt na hinumanize yung characters, it's really true kasi we added more layers talaga na makaka-relate yung people in our generation. For me po, super grateful din ako and super happy din po ako kasi yung production and Direct Mark and everyone, talagang they really tried their best to really make us see what we're supposed to see. Talagang they really, kung kayang gawing hindi chroma, talagang gagawin nila para nandun yung believability for the actors. And isa po talaga sa sobrang tumatak sa akin na talagang lahat kami sobrang na-hype when we saw it and when we tried it was our conveyor seats po sa studio. Kasi kung nakita niyo po, di ba, parang sa Camp Big Falcon may 5 seats na nandun on top of stairs. And totoo po siya talagang bumababa. May mechanism po doon sa seats namin na gaya nung series, gaya nung anime, bumababa din po siya. So you really feel what the anime is feeling, what the anime characters are feeling po talaga. So very realistic po talaga yung set namin. If there's anything na chroma, siguro like 10 or 5% lang po nung set namin. Everything else is actual and was there po talaga. So ako rin po, mamimiss ko rin po yung set namin.